Good afternoon from Graham Family Farm. Yesterday we spent most of the day looking at different vehicles, and we end up bringing this one here home. 2007 Yukon. It's a short version, like a Tahoe, and it does have full drive features we wanted. Yellow range. So we have the auto full drive. So when it's roads are slick, when my wife's going to work in the winter, you just put it in that auto, and she won't have to worry about the full drive. So anyway, this is new to us. This is going to be our new family rig. Plan on doing some traveling in this, some overland adventures. It's going to be replacing the JKU Rubicon. There's plenty of seats for the family and the grandkids too. Probably mainly me and my dog Shelby, family dog. Anyway, that's a quick view of what it looks like right now. Running boards will most likely be removed here soon. It'll be the first thing we do to it, so we're not breaking them off on the trail. I do not like the front end of this. I think it's ugly. I do not like the fact is the plastic will have to be cut to put an aftermarket bumper. I don't like the fact that it's so low to the ground. So I'm sure that'll be, I don't know, broken off, or I'll have to modify it. I don't think it'll be too long before it's damaged. Sad part about these newer rigs, make them aerodynamic where there's no ground clearance. So I'll probably put a couple inch lift on it in the future. It's aftermarket bumpers, but it's a start. So anyway, there's our new rig. Thanks for watching.